Hi there. Hi, Drew. I'm with PatrickStarrr.
I thought you might be. How are you?
Drew,
What's his name?
I'm Peter. I'm Patrick's brother.
Oh, hi, Peter.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we just get your reaction? We're shooting a video right now, and I think you may like it. Are you ready?
I am.
3, 2, 1.
Hi!
Oh my god! Insane makeup! That is true artistry! My god!
Makeup is a one size fits all.
Oh my gosh. That is so cool. This look like me in the morning. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna show all of you how to apply prosthetics 101. I am joined by the best makeup artist ever, my favorite. You guys may recognize them from before. This is Ran and Cig. So today we are gonna show you how to apply prosthetics 101. First, you need a prosthetic. Number 2, you need some adhesive. Next, you need something to seal the edges. And last but not least, a little bit of imagination. So if you guys are ready, let's just jump right into the video. So if you're joining me in today's video, most likely you guys are looking how to apply a prosthetic. If you guys don't know, welcome to my makeup channel. This channel is all about beauty. So we have a prosthetic. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a pro version and then also a Party City Halloween store version for those of you that don't have access to amazing special effects makeup artists in your area. So I wanna show you guys a pro and more so an accessible version for all of you at home. First is the prosthetic. We have E.T. today. If you guys couldn't tell by the beginning, E.T. is an iconic movie. I love it so much. So this is the prosthetic. It's a beautiful cowl that goes around my head. If you guys want to see how they made the cowl, please refer to my Shrek video. Shows you how they made it and everything. If you are at home, the Party City version could be like a pig ear, maybe a chin, maybe a witch nose, maybe like a brow, maybe some ears. And that is the prosthetic, and we'll show you how it's going on. Hey guys, so go ahead and follow Ran and Cig. They are so incredibly talented. I love them so much, hence why we're back. So this is the professional prosthetic, and here is their makeup artist station in case you guys want a little bit of a sneak peek as to what that looks like. Here is what your makeup station may consist of, and I'll walk you guys through absolutely everything that's available to you somewhere like a Party City. So first things first is the prosthetic. I have a professional custom-made prosthetic. This is the cowl, and next is the face mask. So this is the face mask that attaches to it to get that ET look. Yes, I was claustrophobic and it was so crazy. Now this is something that you may get at home. I would normally go to Party City. I grew up in Orlando, but if you don't have the money or don't want to spend too much, you can definitely make your own by this amazing YouTuber that shows how to make your own prosthetic or kind of effect with cotton and latex. Next is adhesive. This is the professional grade adhesive, Telesis Beta Bond, and this is the Party City version, which you all may probably know, spirit gum to attach your elf ears or pig nose or whatever you are looking to achieve for your specific look. Now you want to apply the spirit gum or the Telesis strategically, and guys, this is your skin, so I want you guys to be very, very, very careful because this stuff is no joke, and you guys know I love taking off my makeup and taking care of my skin. Because you only have one chance to take care of your skin, and it's the biggest organ on your body. So as you guys just saw, there are a lot of seams. You want to blend the seams. This is a product called Bondo, and they are just blending the seams right here from my neck to my prosthetic on my face. Over here I found this wonderful video where you can blend with Prosade, which is an adhesive, or you can blend with latex. And there are a bunch of videos on YouTube. I thought I would just show you guys a different way of applying techniques because I only had this done on me, but I want to share that everything will be linked down below. YouTube is a great place to learn, but I thought I would just reference different types of prosthetics here on this video, whether it be a nose or an ear or something of that sort. So yeah, definitely check that out. Now you can see here they're applying, Ranny is blending the edges while Cig adds more adhesive on the face. Next, it's time to apply the prosthetic. Now this part was so insane because I could only see through those little 2 slits right in the crease of E.T.'s eye. And you see here they're continuing to blend with that Bondo, apply more adhesive, and on the skin, or sorry, not on the skin, on the actual prosthetic, apply a no tack Prosade. You can see right here there's a little bit of that Prosade to add as a base. And next is imagination. So at home you may see grease paint sticks or grease sticks at home, paint sticks, or you can use something professional like the Krylon Aqua Sticks. This is that. You're just gonna go ahead and paint. Now when you're painting, it's easier to add on than take away. So right here they started with this light base color. We were talking about how we wanted E.T. to kind of match my body, so they tried to match my skin tone as close as possible, which they definitely achieved. Now right here, this is the best setting spray for body painting or a special effect. This is the Krylon fixing spray that kind of gives it that look. Now they're adding in more dimension, and I would recommend this for your ears or your nose as well. As you can see, they're stippling on a darker color to add multiple dimension. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok to see all the hard work that we put behind into all these skits on TikTok at PatrickStarrr. Alright, this is where the magic comes in. So Cig is so talented at sculpting and painting and the whole nine, and Randy is a wonderful, wonderful partner with him in creating this beautiful look. So the makeup comes to life with the combination of airbrushing and adding that dimension through splattering different specks on the face with a darker color, and as you can see, the makeup is literally coming to life. And Randy had sculpted these beautiful resin eyes and hand painted them, and he applied it onto the sculpture as he was sculpting it, and that's what, look at this is just absolutely incredible and large. That's what gives E.T. his beautiful charm, which Drew Barrymore loved, and I had so much fun. And believe it or not, I could see myself through the mask into the monitor when I was kind of getting into character, and these are the results with the photos in my studio at home to have a little bit of fun from my home to yours on the screen, and just to have some fun during this time that we live in. And Peter was my fabulous Elliot. I love Peter so much, and we threw on a bed sheet, and that was the final result. And here it is.
Gary! PT, go home!
Alright everyone, that is the finished video. Thanks to Ran and Cig. Follow them, subscribe to them everywhere. They are the most talented makeup artists that I know. And this was the freaking bomb.com.
Yay! If you guys want to find out more on how to do prosthetics and everything, follow them. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Wow! Are you serious? I hate it. I hate it. Oh my god.
Don't turn at me like that.
Hello? Oh my, no. This is so scary. Thank you so much for doing this unboxing, E.T.
Hey, I tried this fucking primer. It fucked up my skin. Hi.
Your mouth looks like an asshole. Open it. Oh my god.
We look the same.
No, we don't. Oh my god.
Star. Ito ng Filipino E.T.
Oh my.
Damn, they're fucking good. They killed it.
Oh my god, that is scary. What the freak? Oh my god, bitch. Oh my god. Nice.
I used a PatrickStarrr Beauty today.
Let me see, darling. Ooh, beautiful.
E.T.
Makeup is a one size fits all.
Just hold it there. Why the fuck are you looking at the
Because
thing?
you looked at the thing.
E.T. phone home.
What?
E.T. phone home.
What?
I said E.T. phone home.
What?
Give me your f***ing phone.
Oh, this.
Stupid bitch.
We're doing it, E.T. We're doing it. We're flying. We're flying, E.T. Come on.